Hello beautiful and wonderful family, welcome once again to my channel. Sar Skincare is the name. If you are stopping by for the first time, please don't wait to subscribe. Also turn your notification bell. Please like, share and comment. My subscribers, you are the best. Please let's move this family together. Let's move this family as one big one. Guys, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own flawless face whitening cream. Yes, this one is a flawless face whitening cream. So guys, stay back, let's go and watch the video till the end. I'm going to pre-mix it and use it and you thank me later. Guys, let me tell you one thing, my recipes are authentic. Yes, in fact are authentic. So guys, stay back and let's go and watch the video till the end. I love you guys. Let's start to make our face cream. My first cream that I'm going to use is Extreme White Face Cream. This Extreme White Face Cream is very nice because it will clear all the blemishes on your face. Please, I'm doing this face cream for a friend. Guys, please, I'm doing this face cream for a friend. Yes, she asked me to do it for her, so I am mixing this face cream for her. So guys, you can do it. I'm using 1 tablespoon of my Extreme White. I have done it for her before and it's finished, and now right now I'm doing the rest for her. So you can try it out and it will fade all your blemishes, all your pimples, acne. And so after adding in my Extreme White face cream, right now I'm going to add in my Amos White face cream. This one is Amos White face cream. Please, this face cream is for only night alone. I'm using SPF 50 of my Amos White. Please, I'll be showing all the pictures on the screen, so watch the video till the end to understand and do it very well. Yes, this face cream is very nice. If you know how to pre-mix it very well, you will come out and testify with it. I'm using 1 tablespoon of my Amos White. Guys, Amos White face cream. I'm using 1 tablespoon. The spoon that I'm using is half teaspoon. So I'm using my Amos White 1 tablespoon, guys. Yes. I did this face cream for her and it came out with a good nice one, so she asked me again to do it for her again. That's the reason why I am doing this face cream. Guys, any cream that I will be posting or anything I will be posting on my channel, I have tried it out before bringing it out. So I'm going to also add in my Fair Beauty cream. I'm also adding in my Fair Beauty cream. Guys, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of my Fair Beauty cream. 1 teaspoon of my Fair Beauty cream. I'll be showing all the ingredients on the screen, so guys, please take note and watch the video till the end so that you can do it and also try it out. After my Fair Beauty cream, right now I'm going to mix it thoroughly. I'm going to mix the 3 ingredients together very well. So you have to mix it very well. Guys, please mix it very well. This cream will give you that yellowish flawless tone, guys. Yes, it will give you that yellowish flawless tone. Use this cream at night only. Guys, please use it at night, not in the morning. You can use your serum or your oil in the morning and you use this one at night only. I normally use my facial whitening cream at night only, guys. Yes, I'm going to also add in my Aplivet tube. You can add in your Olibat Anti-Max tube too. It works also nice very well too. So guys, you can add in one of it. You can add in your Aplivet or Olibat Anti-Max tube. I'm going to add in half teaspoon or half teaspoon. Yes guys, I'm adding in half teaspoon of it. of my Aplivate or Olibat anti-mask tube. Guys, support your sister by subscribing. Let's move this family ahead. Then I'm going to stir it again. Guys, please don't forget to stir your cream very well. When I'm stirring my Aplivate and my face cream together. So after I have mixed it very well, I'm going to also add in my serum or my concentrate, and I'm using alpha arbutin concentrate. Guys, I'm using alpha arbutin concentrate. This concentrate is very nice for the face. It's very nice. So I'm using 1 teaspoon of it. 1 teaspoon, guys, please, teaspoon, which is 5 ml. I'm also going to add in my goji berry serum. This one is goji berry serum. This serum is anti-aging smoothing serum. Guys, this serum is a bomb. I'll be doing review on it. It's very nice. Yes, guys, it's very nice for the face and it clears something. I'll tell you later. So watch all my videos, guys. Support me by subscribing so that you know the secret behind this serum. Guys, I've added 1 teaspoon of it. 1 teaspoon of my goji berry serum. Yes, guys, this serum is very nice for the face. It clears something from the face. Guys, I'll be telling you the secret of this serum. Yes, it will clear something on your face. It's very nice. If you know how to use it, you can use it every moment that you are making your face cream. Guys, it's very nice. Yes, right, I'm going to add in my sunblock. Yes, I'm adding in half teaspoon of my sunblock to my face cream. Then I will stir it again. Yes, this serum and this sunblock is very nice. So this face cream will give you that yellowish tone. So right now I'm mixing my sunblock. I'm mixing it very well. Voila, our face cream is ready. Please get a clean sanitized container and also scoop all your face cream into it, a tight one, and close it tightly. Use it only at night. Use it only at night. I normally use my facial creams at night only. After cleansing and also using my cleanser, then I will use my face cream. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.